Hi there, welcome to our channel. We are from Toronto, Canada. I'm Anwesha and I love to eat, read and travel. My better half is Shom and he loves nature, adventure sports and fitness. And together we're here to share with you our adventures as we explore the world around us. And today's adventure takes us to the blizzard of 17th of January 2022 in Toronto, Canada. This morning we woke up to blowing snow, very reduced visibility, and a foot of snow on the ground. And if you can take a look at the bicycles in the background there, they're almost submerged in the snow. By 5 o'clock, we measured around 29 inches outside our bedroom balcony. We're exiting our front door and woohoo, right to the front door. And you can't even really tell our stairs, they're covered in snow. And you can kind of see part of the parking lot because I think people have walked here, but you can't see very much else. This is us trying to make our way downstairs. We're trying to broom the snow out so that we can walk on the steps because we couldn't find the steps at all. Okay, there's nowhere to go.
Why did you just go down over there? You can. Just go down over there.
There's no way to get in here.
You can go. Let's go.
How?
Okay, fine. You're fine. Why are you coming over?
So, this is the aftermath of the Toronto blizzard on the 17th of January 2022. No one can get anywhere, as you can clearly see. There's a way to get out that way, which isn't too bad. I guess they must have made some kind of walkway here. From our townhouse, this whole parking lot is blocked. Can't go anywhere, and we have to figure out how to go back up the stairs now, which we tried to broom the snow off. So the city suffered a lot today. Two of the highways closed, and the snow is still blowing around, but I think the blizzard is almost at an end because we have a lot more visibility now, and we can kind of see the sky in the back somewhere in the distance. So yeah,